This is mine. I think that was mine. No, you already said one.
You got it?
No, we do the other eye.
Yeah.
Okay, here,
Okay.
we do it.
Alright, since we're drunk, we gotta do it. Right?
Oh my god.
It's called lime in the eye trick.
Oh!
Can't see.
I can't even open mine right now.
Hey, here we go.
Can't see.
I'm gonna do it.
Can't see. Alright.
Let me do it myself.
Right here, I'll do it.
No, yeah, I'm blind. I'm blind.
Alright, Chin, jerk me.
I'm blind.
Here, Kevin, here, I'll do it.
Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. I'm
I'm
blind for sure.
No, hey.
Who can,
I'll
It
be
feels
the
so
first.
good, dude.
Yo, but
It feels so good.
No, it doesn't, dude.
open
Yes,
it.
does.
Open it.
Yes, it does. It feels good. feels good as fuck.
Alright,
feels
hey.
great.
Do it in my other eye and videotape that shit.
It refreshes you.
Hey, do it in my other eye and videotape it.
Close it forever and open it, and you're good again.
Yo, look how much is right there.
Kevin, do it in my other eye.
I can't.
Alright, who can do it? Dude, mine only lasts for a little bit.
Yeah, you're good after a little.
Yeah. It's like
Look at it, it's so
fucking.
bad.
It's like.
It hurts for.
What's that clear eye shit that's so bad?
Rodos.
Rotos, yeah, it's like Rotos. That's what it is. Someone squirts some in my other
You
eye.
have to do it by yourself.
Look what
No,
just
I
came in my
can't.
eye.
You gotta just.
How bad on a
Squeeze it
scale
above
of
your
1
eye.
to 10?
No, you,
It's about a 7.
It hurts. Look at
Just
it.
do it by yourself because you
I
squeeze a
can't.
lot and it's better.
No, I can't. Chin, you gotta do it. I already did it in this eye.
Get out over there.
Hold on, I
Can
gotta
I
get
hold your eye open?
No, okay, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
I gotta get, it's not that bad.
Go ahead.
Ready?
It's really not. I gotta get the squirt though.
Ready?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Put his head back. Put your head back.
Get a little bit closer, Chin, so you can see the squirt.
Ready?
Do it. Oh my god!
It's so fun.
It's a good time. It's a good time.
My